European movers?
Yeah, I mean, we've seen the FTSE down 0.7%. Last time there were only 10 stocks that had made any gains in the FTSE this morning. Standard Chartered was the only one at 0.6%, which is kind of interesting given that Standard Chartered, of course, got so much Asian exposure and Asian markets aren't doing hugely well, although we did see that upswing as we've seen in the Shanghai Composite. You know, after the bloodbath we've seen over the last 10 days, there's a quite big swing in prices there. They lost 4.6%. And then they closed up 5%. So it's a pretty significant swing, which probably accounts for that Standard Chartered growth.
People's Republic of China's Treasury Finance Department.
Well, exactly. I mean, we had that quote yesterday from one of the Chinese newspapers saying that the problem is that the average Chinese investor always believes that the Communist Party will step in to protect it and to help support asset prices.
It's like the Greenspan put, isn't it?
Well, exactly. And what's happened in China has only entrenched that, which is quite a worrying thing. You know, people keep talking about how leveraged the Chinese equity market is. The number of people who are trading, the number of consumers who are investing on margin, the number of people who are remortgaging their houses to invest in the equity markets, and that's always a scary sign. And the fact that the government stepped in once again to try and support those prices is probably only postponing any issues to next week or tomorrow or next
Kicking
month.
the can down another week.
Well, yeah, I think we've got to swear jar for using that phrase but yeah. And obviously Europe's getting nailed at the moment, understandably.